How to install Color Block Jam on Android. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install this application. First of all, open Play Store. Now, here on the right bottom, tap on the search icon. On the top, at the search bar, simply search for Color Block Jam. So it will pop up in the top. So simply tap on it. Make sure that this is the right application. You can verify it by seeing the logo and verify it by seeing the company's name. Rolex Games. Now here, simply tap on install. So what is Color Block Jam? So basically this is the game of blocks. Here you must match different colors in order to win the game. So it's a user-friendly game where everyone can play it. So it's quite easy and fun playing the game. So it will get installed and you'll be ready to play. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.